let me share to you my very first immigration experience. Ako pala si Jeff, and for the past several years, I have been traveling to multiple countries already. So here's my story. So it was way back 2013 pa. That time kasi when my youngest is about to graduate in college, my dad come up with a plan. So pinag-usapan namin yun as a family. And he said na dahil graduate na kayo lahat, so mabakasyon tayo abroad. So yung plan itinerary namin that time was Malaysia and Singapore. So we're already planning ahead in advance na kung ano mga dapat gagawin, yung mga daily itineraries, ano yung mga requirements namin, like yung mga passport, other identifications, at piniprepare kami talaga anong dapat sasagutin namin ng mga questions, like sino kasama mo, kailan balik mo, ano work mo, and so on. So after my youngest sibling graduated in college, 2 months later, nag-travel na kami. So yung route namin is from Bacolod and then flying to Cebu and then Cebu to Kuala Lumpur. That time kasi 2013, if family ka, pwede kayo magsabay sa isang counter. Right now kasi iba na yung sistema na kahit family pa kayo, so one by one na yun. So yung dad namin, he is so very prepared talaga sa mga documents. Especially yung sa pag-sponsor sa amin lahat sa trip. Dahil kasi that time, my dad, mataas yung position niya sa company for several years na. Parang they were very impressed. Yung mom ko naman, meron siyang boutique na partners na ni tita ko. Prepared rin siya ng mga documents na like yung mga mayor's permit, the business registration. And sa part ko naman, tinanong nila anong work ko. And then I said na freelance article writer. Nag-write ako ng mga articles sa clients. Ganon lang. And then nag-proceed na sila sa questions like yung isang kapatid ko working sa school, pinoprovide lang yung certificate of employment. At yung youngest ko naman, syempre fresh graduate. Since my dad is the one sponsoring all of us, so prepared rin siya like yung mga bank statements niya, at yung mga proof of funds na sufficient enough for the entirety of our travel. And then, remember, our travel only lasts for a week. At ayun, to cut the long story short, na-stamp yung passports namin lahat. And ako at yung mga younger siblings ko, sobrang excited kami. Dahil it's our first time talaga na mag-travel internationally. Kasi we have never tried traveling overseas before. From Mactan Cebu Airport, nag-direct flight towards Kuala Lumpur International Airport. And then, ayun, sa immigration, si dad na lahat nagkasikaso doon, same kind of questions. Ayun, pinapasok kami, and that's where our adventure begins. So hopefully, nagustuhan nyo yung story ko about my first immigration experience namin. So save and bookmark this video, and follow me for more travel tips.